Imagine walking into a gallery, surrounded by breathtaking landscape photographs, each one showcasing the incredible depth and richness of color that only the most skilled artists can achieve. But what if I told you that the secret to unlocking these vibrant hues lies not in the photographer's expertise, but in the technology behind their printer? Welcome to the world of the Epson SureColor P900 17-inch printer. This beast of a machine is designed to deliver outstanding image quality and color, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of fine art printing. For too long, photographers and artists have struggled with the limitations of inkjet printing. The colors just haven't been there. The contrast, the vibrancy, the depth, it's all been missing in action. But Epson has changed that with the introduction of the SureColor P900. This printer boasts an all-new UltraChrome PRO10 Ink with violet, which produces a wide color gamut for truly vibrant and rich colors. But what's truly revolutionary about this ink set is the inclusion of dedicated nozzles for both photo and matte black ink. No more switching between the two, just pure, unadulterated printing bliss. But how does the SureColor P900 actually perform? That's a story we'll dive into in just a moment. First, let's talk about the design. The sleek, compact body of this printer exudes an air of sophistication and professionalism, begging to be displayed proudly in any studio or workshop. And with a weight of just over 40 pounds, it's surprisingly portable for a printer of this caliber. When you lift the hood, you'll be greeted by an equally impressive interior. The 17-inch print bed is more than big enough to handle even the most massive of prints, and the 10-channel MicroPiezo AMC printhead is the real MVP. This advanced printhead consistently delivers prints with outstanding speed, consistency, and accuracy, making it perfect for photographers and artists who demand the very best. But what about usability? How easy is it to print with the SureColor P900? Honestly, it's incredibly straightforward. With the printer's intuitive user interface and wireless connectivity options, you can print directly from your iOS device using an easy-to-use app. No more complicated driver installations or confusing settings menus. Just pure, hassle-free printing. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this printer's features. I mentioned the UltraChrome PRO10 Ink with violet earlier, but what does that actually mean for your prints? To put it simply, this ink set is the real deal. It produces a color gamut that's more than 87% of the Adobe RGB spectrum, ensuring that even the most demanding photographers and artists can rest assured that their colors will be reproduced faithfully and accurately. And with a whopping 10 times more pigment ink than other Epson printers, these prints are going to last and look for decades to come. Another feature that really sets this printer apart is the dedicated photo and matte black nozzles. No longer will you have to waste precious time switching between ink sets. These nozzles work in harmony to deliver prints that are both black and white, and yet, somehow, so much more. The result? Stunning contrast, precise detail, and an overall level of quality that's nothing short of breathtaking. But don't just take my word for it. Let's talk real-world testing. I recently had a chance to print with the SureColor P900 in a variety of settings, from the comfort of my own studio to the bright, well-lit environs of our office. And the results? Absolutely staggering. For those of you who value print quality above all else, the SureColor P900 is a game changer. It prints with incredible speed, around 1.1 seconds per square inch, and the 10-channel MicroPiezo AMC printhead delivers crisp, vibrant colors that seem to jump right off the page. But, as with any printer, there are trade-offs. The Epson SureColor P900 comes with a hefty price tag of around $4,500, making it a serious investment for any photography studio or commercial printing business. And let's be real, the occasional clog or air bubble can wreak havoc on an already tenuous printing process. Pros and cons, of course, are an inevitable part of any printer's evaluation. But in this case, I think the pros far outweigh the cons. The SureColor P900 delivers stunning image quality, a wide color gamut, and unparalleled printing speed, all of which are essential for serious photographers and commercial printing businesses. But how does the SureColor P900 compare to competing options? Well, that's an easy one, my friends. The Epson 9900 SureColor P800 boasts similar features and quality, but a smaller 13-inch print bed and an equally higher price point. And as for the Canon ImagePrograph Pro 2000, well, let's just say that Canon's answer to the SureColor P900 falls a little short in the speed and color department. So where does that leave us? If you're a photographer or artist who demands the very best in print quality, I strongly recommend making the Epson SureColor P900 a part of your arsenal. And for just under $5,000, I think it's an absolute steal. The SureColor P900 may not be the most affordable option on the market, but it's an investment that will more than pay for itself time and time again. With its revolutionary UltraChrome PRO10 Ink set and dedicated photo and matte black nozzles, this printer is truly in a league of its own.